Hey YouTube, good morning. Tony here. So today I got something for my truck. So first I got my beer, so this is a good day. So let's see. I got this. This is a serpentine kits. Una correa para cambiar la correa. This is the tension. The pulley, the belt. Also, I got this is the spacer for the drive shaft. This is the spacer. Esto es un espaciador para la línea, para la barra de la transmisión. You know, because we got some lift. So it's out a little bit. So also I got this. This is a 2-inch, I believe, or 1.5. I don't remember. This is a leveling kit, but this I want to put this on top of this struts. This is the shit. This is 1 second. This is 1 second. This is a rough country premium lifted strut. So this is a 6-inch, and I want to put the block on top, 1.5 I believe is, so it will be 7.5. Why I will install this and remove my build-sting? I'll show you. This is longer here, so I won't have the problem because it's longer. The tie rod won't hit the strut, the coil. So I believe this is the solution for my problem. So let's see. So we got some job to do. So le explicaba que el tie rod le da al coil, al spring, y entonces voy a instalar estos straps. Estos amortiguadores son 6 pulgadas, 6 inch. Esto solamente para los lifted truck, para los carros que están levantados. Y al estar más largo de aquí, el tie rod me imagino que quede por aquí. Also, quiero instalar esto en tope, arriba. So, para que me dé unas 7 pulgadas y media. So, let's see. Hey YouTube, Tony here. We just installed the spacer, the drive shaft. The spacer, so the drive shaft can go in maybe 1 inch. So aquí instalamos el espaciador para la drive shaft, para la barra, para que entrara una pulgadita más o menos. Y ahora vamos a poner adelante los amortiguadores. Now we're going to install the strut. Remove the block completely and put the rough country strut 6-inch without the block, just the strut. So the tie rod won't hit the coil like this now. Vamos a instalar el amortiguador completo y remover esto. Poner un rough country para que no le dé el tie rod a los springs. Okay. Hey YouTube, Tony here. We got this strut out. You can see side by side. Almost inside. I installed this block, so this was a little bit longer now. Poner el bloque ahora está más grande el otro. Quedó más levantado. Ya el taller no da. Queda aquí. Hey YouTube. So we done. We did everything. We installed the new strut with the block on top. So now it's 7.5 lift. It's higher now on the front, but I like that.